Hi everyone, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have a bit of a fabulous unboxing today. So I don't know, you're probably very similar to me. I get very excited over handbags. It's like my weakness in life. I hold my hands up. I love accessories, whether that's shoes or handbags. They get me so excited. So I thought I would share this with you so we can enjoy it together. So I have 3 handbags for you to unbox with you today. And I'm gonna start off with a Marc Jacobs one. So I love Marc Jacobs handbags, but kind of a sporty kind of vibe. So when I spend a lot of my downtime in a gym kit, you guys know that. And I always felt a bit weird grabbing my Yves Saint Laurent or my Prada to go with a gym kit. So I found I was tending to wear my Marc Jacobs bags. I don't know if you know, I've got like a camera bag. I'll put a picture here. I was tending to pick it up to go with like a really when I was wearing more sporty outfits. And I think Marc Jacobs goes really well with jeans and a plain t-shirt. This bag in particular I think is really great for a plain like jeans and t-shirt outfit. So I get my Marc Jacobs handbags from a company called mybag.com. I actually have a discount code, Laura10, so I'll leave it linked down below too. So I'm gonna unveil the bag. I get so excited. So this is the handbag, and one of the big things about Marc Jacobs, they all have this kind of iconic crossbody strap, and you can actually, so once you have a few of them, you can interchange them. So I could pop this one on my other color. You can even pop it on normal handbags as well. I really love this. I love the navy blue. It was something I didn't have in my handbag collection, and the iconic Marc Jacobs logo, I just loved it. It actually comes with this little lock as well, which I've actually taken off. I don't know why. I think it was, let's pop that on. Actually comes with this lock here as well to add a little bit more detail. I love the pop of red on like a plain white t-shirt. Maybe I'll do some outfits with it here so you can see what I mean, but I love that. Just to go with my gym kit, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna come up close with it. So this is the blue handbag. This is the detailing I was talking about on the strap. Really interchangeable. It comes off so you can take it off. Has the lock detailing there, and inside we have a zip compartment. That's a really good iPad size, if you can see in there. That's probably the same size as an iPad, and then you've got your 2 pockets here and here, so you can keep all your valuables in the zip pocket, and then you can have the things that you want to get out handy here. So yeah, that's my gorgeous little Marc Jacobs handbag I wanted to share with you, and don't forget Laura10 for discount as well. So moving on to the next handbag. So this one I'd wanted for a long time. It's Louis Vuitton, and I've been looking for a specific kind of Louis Vuitton bag that I wanted. So I started investing in handbags maybe 2 years ago from, I don't buy them new, I buy them secondhand from Designer Exchange, which is a company that buys and sells handbags. So the great thing about this is all the handbags I've got from them have been practically brand new with their tags on still, but you get them at a much discounted price. It's kind of like a car when you buy a secondhand car. Like, it looks brand new, but as soon as you take it out for its first drive, it loses value straight away. So even though these handbags were brand new to the eye, you get them at a second-hand price, which is fantastic. And sometimes you can buy them and then sell them on before. Let me explain this a little bit better. So okay, let me show you the handbag and then explain what I mean by that. So this is the handbag. Can we get a little drum roll? So this is my Louis Vuitton, I want to say Marignan messenger bag. I'll pop it here. I actually filmed this video introducing you to this bag the 2 days before I came ill with corona, and I watched it back and it gave me such bad feelings that I was like, I just cannot put this out. It was when my voice had gone and I sounded really hoarse, and it just made me really sad to watch, because obviously looking back now I know what came next. So I was like, I'm just gonna film it again. So this is the bag. It's got this little gold clasp. I wanted one with this kind of buckle because I'd seen them around and I really liked it. And what I love about this is the buckle is the clasp, so it doesn't jingle around. It has it has this strap here, but I've also got a gold chain from another bag which I like to pop on it just to give that extra bit of detailing. I love the fact you can hold it here as well and pop it for your hands, as well as putting it crossbody. So let me explain what I meant before about buying and selling handbags. So 2 years ago I bought a Louis Vuitton at about £150. It was only small, super cheap, second hand, had a little bit wear and tear into it, but that handbag then became a massive trend, and I actually sold it for double the price. So if you can see the trends of handbags, like that kind of 90s baguette bag really came into fashion again. So if you know the trends, you can buy and sell handbags and make money on them, which I don't think many people know. So even though this costs X amount, I can't actually remember how, I think I got this for 700 and they retail at about 1,600 1,700, so massive discount, and it's literally like brand new. So if you're looking to get into handbags for the first time, don't shy away from buying them second hand, because I really recommend it, because I know that I will probably either get my money back that I bought it with or more. There's certain brands in particular that don't lose their value. Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Hermes definitely goes up in value, I think. So you can be like a stockbroker for handbags if you're smart. That's my excuse anyway. So this next one is a bit more affordable than the others. It's from a brand called Fairfax and Favor. They're where I get my tassel boots from. I'll put a clip of my tassel boots so you know here. Beautiful boots if you need a pair of boots, really comfortable. They have like spongy bottoms, and I just love that detailing with the tassel at the back. They're a very English kind of heritage tailoring countryside chic brand, which I tend to opt for. I love a bit of that. So they have kindly gifted me a handbag, so I thought I would unbox it with you. So this is the handbag we have here. Oh, it smells lovely. I don't know what this smells of. It smells really nice. So I thought this was a great handbag to wear those kind of like floaty dresses, those Chloe girl dresses that I always opt for in the summer with this big slouchy handbag. This is one of those that you can get your laptop in, everything. So it has one of the Fairfax and Favor's iconic tassels here, which were the same as the ones on the boot, and they actually come off, so you can interchange them. You can pop your black ones on if you've got a black pair of boots. So let's have a little look inside. It's literally a kitchen sink kind of handbag. So it's got a strap so you can wear it crossbody, always a great option to have. It's got a zip compartment here so you can put your personal stuff that you don't want to be stolen there, and it's literally, you could literally fit your kitchen sink in there. But the reason why I wanted to talk about Fairfax and Favor is because they are actually raising money for the NHS at the moment, and they brought out these blue tassels which you can interchange and pop on any one of your garments that you have, or even you can just purchase this. This is a great for one for your keys. Actually, I think I might put that on my keys. That's fabulous. But the proceeds are going towards the NHS. I'll leave all the details about that down below, but I just thought that was a really good thing that they were doing there, so I wanted to give it a shout out. And the summer range is absolutely beautiful, and as I say, I really recommend their boots if you're looking for boots, especially in the autumn time. So yeah, those are my 3 handbags. So I just wanted to share them with you because I love a handbag and you guys probably love handbags too. And yeah, there are 3 different sites that I really recommend and purchase from all the time. My bag does a great kind of mid-tier market for handbags. Coach, by the way, Coach handbags, I know I haven't got one here. I've got my eye on a Coach tabby bag. Coach has had such a bad rep, like back in the day when Anna Wintour kind of ruined it for them when she said that Coach handbags were a joke. I really disagree, because they have had maybe a redesign or something, and their new branding is absolutely fabulous, that I have fallen in love with Coach handbags. They are stunning, especially the Coach tabby bag. I'll put a picture here because they have a few on mybag.com. And your designer exchange, been buying and selling handbags with them for absolutely years, and I have to say that I have never lost money. Like, I've always made money on the handbags that I've sold. So definitely look into that if you want to invest in your like be a handbag broker. I don't know what to call it. And Fairfax and Favorite, a really trusted like brand that has like really good quality stuff on there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the selection. Let me know your favorite in the comments below, and I'll actually do on my bag, I'll actually link a couple of my favorite handbags because it was really hard to choose, so you can see a few of my favorites, save you sifting through. They do sunglasses as well, so definitely go check them out, and I will see you soon for another video. Love you guys.